Okay guys, and welcome back. This is your second exercise in the talent section, and it's about Limelight and More Ideas. Now, if you're not meeting with your team on a regular basis, start now. This is something you should do as a matter of course, and not only to share what's going on within your department, but also what's going on in the wider business. Now, the added bonus of this is that you also have a captive audience, and you can use that to showcase anything, and I mean anything, that has been improved. Now, don't hog the spotlight. If something has gone well, no one wants to sit there and see the boss take the credit for it. Whoever did the project, whoever came up with the idea, whoever implemented a solution or an improvement, let them talk about how they came up with the idea, how they improved the process, what went well, what they could perhaps do better next time. Let them show off a little. This could be just the catalyst you need to spark the next little or big idea. Okay, I'll see you in the next lecture.